Let's start our discussion. Miss Annie Grace, can you lead the prayer in front? Okay, thank you, Miss Annie Grace. Good morning, class. I am Teacher Rika, your teacher in mathematics. Now, before you take your seat, kindly pick up some bits of trash under the chair. Okay, thank you. Now, let's check your attendance. Now, be absent. Now, wala. Very good, day, wala. Now, let's see quick reminders for classrooms. Kanundong pa ba? Very good, day, kanundong pa. Now, first, ang classroom rules is be respectful at all times. Raise your right hand to speak. So kung gusto mo mag-storya, i-basa mo ang right hand. Next, listen carefully. Of course, pag mag-speak si teacher sa front, dapat ginagawa natin para makasagot. Then, help each other. Dapat maginabagay ng kanan. Gets ba? Very good. Next, ask questions. So, pag mag-discuss si teacher, then may kasabtan, ayaw dyan gawin ang mag-raise of questions. And lastly, always do your best. In no class, makakaya rin yung kanan. Now, I have here motivation. Para lawas na ito na kanina. Now, pag maka-answer mo anin, ako'y prize. Yung prize na ako, technique. Okay, start na ta. First word. Saan mag-answer? Anyone? Yes, James. Very good. Addition. Next. Very good, Annie. Subtraction. Next. Very good, Angelica. Last word. Miss Charis? Yes, very good. Third. Now, nag-enjoy ba sa ito ang activity? Very good. Now, before we tackle our discussion, let us first read our objectives. Now, at the end of the 60 minutes discussion, the student should be able to explain the rules of adding and subtracting of polynomials and add and subtract polynomials. Now, I have here an activity. I will call on 5 students to answer this question. Yes, Rosabel. Very good. 7 pencils. Next. 10 notebooks minus 5 notebooks. Yes. Miss Charis. Very good. 5. Third. 2 apples plus 3 apples is equal to? Yes, Arnold. Yes, very good. 5 apples. Next. 4 cups minus 2 cups. Yes. Mr. James. Very good. 2 cups. Last. May I call on Jenny? 3 plates minus 3 plates. Very good. 0. Now, based sa activity na ito, kaya ako ang i-provide. Have you enjoyed ba? Saan pinapansin niyo sa mga activity? Yes, James. Balik-balik na si James sa answer. Very good. Fruits and things. Unsa pa? Yes, Jara. Very good. Positive. Unsa pa? Sa may mga sign na nadaraan. Yes, Kenny. Very good. Negative. Unsa pa? Yes, equals. Now, let's formal discussion about our main topic, which is the adds and subtracts polynomials. Now, what is a polynomial? The prefix poly means many, and nominal means third. It is an algebraic expression that is made up of variables, constants, exponents that are joined together using mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. A polynomial is typically written in standard form, which is ascending to descending order of exponents. And lastly, the leading term always has the highest exponents defines the degree of the polynomial. The degree corresponds to the number of roots of roots as polynomial has. Before ka makabalo sa pag-aral subject of polynomials, of course, dapat kabalo ka sa rules for adding and subtracting of integers. Now, let's discuss first the rules for adding integers. If the integers have the same sign, copy the sign, then add the numbers. For example, negative 3 plus the quantity of negative 5 is equal to negative 8. If the integers have different signs, subtract the numbers, then copy the sign of the larger number. Example, negative 7 plus 8. Negative 7 plus 4 is equal to negative 3. Guys, questions, clarifications for the rules for adding integers. And so far, okay, let's proceed to the rules for subtracting integers. Now, in the rules for subtracting integers, change the sign in the subtrahend, then proceed to addition, and it says that follow the rules in adding integers. For example, we have negative 6 minus 8 is equal to 6 plus the quantity of negative 8. Why negative 8 ma'am? Because ang 8, mo na siya natulog sa subtrahend, and then ang limot na change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to the rules in adding integers. So we have 6 plus negative 8 is equal to negative 2. Next, we have negative 5 minus the quantity of negative 2 is equal to negative 5 plus 2. And the final answer is negative 3. Questions? Subtracting integers. None so far. Let's proceed na dyan sa pinaka-main topic, which is addition and subtraction of polynomials. Terms with the same literal coefficients are called like terms or similar terms. For example, number 1, 2ab, 6ab, and ab are similar terms because their literal coefficients are similar, which is ab. In the example number 2, they are not similar because their literal coefficients is a, ab, and negative ab respectively. Questions, clarifications? Very good, they will not. Now, the rules for adding polynomials. To add polynomials, simply combine like terms for similar terms, and to combine similar terms, get the sum of the numerical coefficients and copy the same literal coefficients. I have here an example. Find the sum of the following: 5a plus the quantity of 2a plus 6. Then the solution is, first na itong problem is i-group na ito siya into like terms. 5a plus 2a plus 6. Next is i-add na ito si 5 kung 2, and then i-copy na ito ang literal coefficients nila, which is a. So ang final answer is 7a plus 6. Now, another example, simplify the quantity of 5a plus 8b minus 2c plus the quantity of 8a plus 7b minus 8c. Now, by removing the parentheses and grouping and combining the like terms, you get the quantity of 5a plus 8b minus 2c plus the quantity of 8a plus 7b is equal to minus 8c. Before natin siya isolve, of course, i-group sa natin itong mga like nagkapareha sila o literal coefficients. For example, 5a plus 8a, then 8b plus 7b, then negative 2 minus 8c. So pag i-add ko siya plus, ang answer is 13a plus 15b minus 10c. Now, natin ito guys, ang mahawag ito ay in terms of solving, adding and subtracting polynomials. So, unang ipakita natin ito class, which is kani, muna siya ang tinatawag na horizontal law solving. Then, kani is what we call vertical. So, either vertical or horizontal yung mga gamiton, same lang ginawa na nila ang result. As you can see, 5a plus 8b minus 2c plus 8a plus 7b minus 8c is equal to 13a plus 15b and negative 10c. squared. For example, A minus B, which is si A ang ato ang minuend, and then si B is ato ang subtrahend. For example, subtract 6x squared minus 4x plus 8 from minus 3x squared minus x minus 5. So, pag i-apply na po ang horizontal subtraction, we get 6x squared minus 4x plus 8 minus 3x squared minus x plus 8. Then, the final answer is negative x squared minus 3x plus 13. Gets ba? Now, since kaganina is horizontal, now i-apply na po nato ang vertical subtraction, we get 6x squared minus 4x plus 8 minus 3x squared minus x minus 5. So, sa subtrahend is na-change na siya. For example, 3a, di ba naging positive 3x squared. So, dali pag vertical ka, malingon na siya negative 3x squared and so on and so forth. Pero, ang answer nila is still the same sa horizontal. Before we proceed to our groupings for the activity, do you have any questions, clarifications, na samtang matanan? The rules for adding and subtracting polynomials, integers, very good. Now, I will group you into two. The group 1 will answer the subtraction, and then the group 2 will answer the addition. Mag-group na ba? Tingnan. Okay. Group 1, group 2. Now, I will give you 5 minutes to answer. And after I post na ito sa board. Now, let's check your work. For the group number 1, the quantity of 3x squared plus 5 minus the quantity of x squared plus 1. Yes, very good, correct. 2x squared plus 6. What about number 2? 4b squared plus 5 minus the quantity of b squared plus 5. Yes, very good. 3b squared minus 6. Now, what about the group 2? 3x plus 2 plus 4x plus 6. Yes, very good. 7x plus 8. What about number 4? X squared plus 2 plus 2x squared minus 5. 3x squared minus 3. Is it right? Very good. What about number 5? 3x squared minus 8x plus 7 plus the quantity of 2x squared minus 6x plus 8. Very good. 5x squared minus 14x plus 9. Have you enjoyed that class? Gets pa John? Very good. Now, since naman sa group activity, individual activity na punta para makita kung naman yung nasabtan. Okay, get one whole sheet of paper, then answer the following. Show your solutions, ha? I will give you 10 minutes to answer this. Let me start now. One minute left, class. Okay. Are you done? Finish or not finish, pass your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before we end our discussion, any questions, clarifications about our topic, adds and subtract polynomials? No may questions? Wala na sabtan dito na. Very good kayo na sabtan lahat. Now, I will give you an assignment. Na one whole sheet of paper solve the following. First place lang kayo nakagawa mo. Gets na? Okay, goodbye class. See you next week.